And we always thought of him as our James Bond. If you saw the picture, we had a picture like that, di ba? That's the James Bond pose classic. Because he's like Sean Connery, di ba? He was named after Sean Connery, the original James Bond. So, Sean. Ay, kay Romela naman. Okay, time out, sorry. Meron ako naisip kay Romela. It's the first time I met Romela was when she visited. They were particularly based in Libya. Eh. So I never got to meet Romela the way my parents got to meet her. So the first time I encountered or met Romela was in our house in Pasay. And it used to be that when we would eat seafoods, we'd peel one shrimp and peel another quickly, both Cosette and I, and we'd sit Sean between us. So I would peel, put it in Sean's plate, and then I would peel one for myself. Cosette would do the same so that Sean will always have shrimps to eat at all times. Because he cannot peel his own shrimps. Well, he doesn't like peeling shrimps. So when I first met Romela, we were eating, and she began peeling Sean's shrimp. And I was going to put my shrimp on Sean's plate, and I realized it was already full because Romela is from Guimaras. Shrimps are plentiful and she can peel faster than we can. That's when I realized that she really cared for my brother. And I said, thumbs up, boto ko dyan, Sean. Pakasalan mo na si Romela, now na. Of course, we cannot do it like that because at that time, Sean wanted a grand wedding for Romela. And he would always say, te, mag-ipon muna ako, te, mag-ipon muna ako. I think when he was in Libya, during the crisis, and had to come home immediately, that's when he realized that mortality hits faster than we can ever predict. Sorry, speech mo ba yun? Sorry naman, pre. And I think that's when he realized he had to continue our line. We will not be De La Cruzes forever. But he's the only one who's going to be the real De La Cruz in the long run. And then my parents started clamoring for kids. So my mom said, kept bothering, telling, Sean, dali, maganda ka na, dali. Because she cannot bother us. And she cannot tell us about that because, yeah, you know. You can just, yeah, we don't do that. So, but my mom insisted because of her secret marriage and that she never did anything untoward in her life, that Sean treat each person, each woman, especially that he has or loves two sisters very much, that he should treat every woman he meets with the utmost respect. And I think he has lived through that principle. And if there ever is a real gentleman, I can assure you, especially Romela's parents, that I have met him in Sean. And to you, my brother, the perfect gentleman. Oh, sorry. And to you, Romela, the perfect lady. May you live in perfection, in an ever-perfect world which both of you will create, not only for yourselves, but for your perfect children to follow. My perfect nephews and nieces. I specifically say nephews and nieces. I hope that they will have at least one, but I pray that they will have 3. Because I think it's the perfect setup. Because there are 3 of us and 3 of them. You see 3 girls in Romela's side and 1 boy and 2 girls in Sean's side. Of course, I would like a son to continue the De La Cruz line. Okay. So to the perfect gentleman and the perfect lady, may you have a long, perfect life in this wonderful world. God bless you and love you and keep you always. Raise your glasses, please, to the lovely couple, the perfect gentleman and the perfect lady. Cheers!
I can't win, I can't reign. I will never win this game without you, without you, without you, without you, without you. I am lost, I am vain. I will never be the same without you, without you, without you, without you. I won't run, I won't fly. I will never make it by without you, without you. I can't rest, I can't fight. All I need is you and I without you, without you.
Si Mama at saka si Papa, thank you so much for the unconditional love and the support that you have given to me and Sean. Salamat po at thank you for loving and accepting Sean in our family. I'm so happy na mahal niyo na si Sean talaga. I mean, hindi lang ngayon, kundi from the very beginning, from first meeting niyo. Thank you so much, Mama. For the past few weeks, we've been busy. So, pero never ko pa narinig sa parents ko na they're tired of preparing the details of the wedding. Kaya, thank you so much for the support. And then, to my sister Pom, thank you so much, dear sister. You're really the best. And si Pom kasi yung kasama ko, kung gaano ako ka-busy, ganun din si Pom. Busy sa pag-prepare ng wedding. Kaya, thank you, sister. As well as my sister Kling. She's not here, pero I know she's also excited with our wedding. And then, maya-maya, makikita niya sa Facebook yung mga photos. Thank you so much din sa asawa ni Kling, sa kay Bobot, sa support din. And to my new parents, to Daddy Sam and Tita Ann, to Mommy Ann, I'm sorry. Thank you so much po sa love. I mean, I'm so lucky and blessed because I feel the love and yung warm welcome niyo sa akin po, sa family niyo. Thank you so much. And I'm just so happy, as well as lucky also to be part of the De La Cruz family. Thank you so much to Ate Cosette and Ate Salet. Salamat din po sa bonggang-bonggang support. Bonggang-bonggang support. I love you, sisters. And then, sa helpmate friends ko, thank you. Kasi, from ilang months ba, 8 months na preparation ng wedding na to, part na din talaga sila ng kalokalokahan ko. Thank you so much sa support. Thank you sa friend kong si Michael. Kakanta siya mamaya. Thank you. Who else? Sa family ko, from Santa Barbara, kay Auntie Pin, who decorated the church. Salamat. From my Guimaras family also. Sa kay cousin ko, kay cousin Jingjing, salamat for coming over. Galing pa silang Davao, kasama si Sir D. Thank you so much, cousin. Si Tita Roda, thank you so much sa time mo din. To my teachers from GSC, salamat din sa pag-attend nyo sa wedding namin ni Sean for making it special kasi andito po kayo. Salamat. to Jayan, thank you so much, Langga. Lahat po kasi na nakikita yung mga customized stuff dyan, it's all because of Jayan. Yung effort niya, thank you so much talaga. Together with her sister, si Jennifer, salamat sa magandang venue. Ito talaga yung gusto kong mangyari, so salamat. Ilang meetings lang kami ni Jen, and then, eto na siya. Thank you so much. Natouch ako sa sa full support ng Cuenca family. Thank you so much. Sa ka-family ko na ngayon, from my family, from Pangasinan, from Marikina, and also sa Manila, sa friends ni Sean, Teleperformance friends, thank you so much for coming over. Alam ko malayo pa yung pinanggalingan nyo, pero salamat talaga sa time na binigay nyo. Si Ann, thank you for coming. Sa staff ng Smallville 21, kay Miss Judith, saka kay Lloyd, salamat sa pag-accommodate sa guest. Si Cousin Wendy, saka yung mga handsome kids niya, si Lirox saka si Deford. Thank you so much for going home, Cousin. Thank you talaga. Si Fritzy saka si Daddy Willie, salamat din po. Ano pa ba nakalimutan ko? For Tita Susie and Tito Boy, who is also supportive sa wedding na to, kasi from pagsundo sa airport sa family ni Sean, and dyan talaga silang nagsundo, si Tito Boy. Salamat for driving. Sino pa ba? Anyway, sige, i-continue na rin ni Sean. Thank you so much po sa pagpunta dito sa wedding namin. Thank you din sa services. Sir Tia Malones, thank you so much po. Nag-bonding na kami from Prenup. Thank you so much. Si Sir Ron, thank you so much.
So, pinasalamatan niyo lahat. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal! Joke lang. First of all, I'd like to thank God kasi God has always been there. I've never been a religious guy. Only sa Liga dahil din kay Romela. And with the help of my mom, she made me realize how valuable God is in your life. So you always have to put God first. So I thank God nangyari ito lahat. I really thought na mamamatay ako sa Libya nung nagkagera doon. So sabi ko kay mami pagdating ko, ayokong mamatay nang wala akong anak, wala akong asawa. So pinilit ko yung mami ko ng ikasal na ako. Kasi kahit wala akong ipon, sabi ko pakasal ako na si Romela. Kaya lang, siyempre traditional yung family nila Romela, traditional din yung family namin. We really value the church. Pero I really love your daughter, Romela, and I really wanted to marry her. So, yun yung bottom line nun. Pero, honestly, to God, He's always been there. Sa family namin, God has always been there. Isa lang yung sinabi sa akin ng tatay ko na very, meaningful sa akin, sabi niya sa akin, anak, dalawa lang hahanapin mo sa babae. Una, ikaw lang ang naging boyfriend. Pangalawa, may takot sa Diyos. And lahat yun si Romela. Ako lang naging boyfriend niya. So, yeah! Tama din yun. Yeah, man. Anyways, aside from that, I really want to thank my family, Romela's family. Si Mommy, they've always been supportive. Si Daddy, they've loved me so much. Isa lang gusto ni Mommy talaga nung bata ako. Sabi niya, Nak! Huwag kang bubuntis ng babae. Pag binuntis mong babae, itatakloy kita. Gusto ko, ihahatid kita sa simbahan. Yun lang ang gusto ng mami ko para sa akin. And it happened today. So, I'm really very happy. Sabi pa sa akin ng mami ko, naglalakad ka ng mabilis. Lang lang. Na-excite ka sa akin, na-excite ka. Sorry ma, pero I love you. Si Daddy, lagi naman nandiyan yan, very supportive. Sasabihin lang yan, sige, ayan yan, sige. Pero, I love you both. My two sisters, totoo yung sinabi nila, ginugulpi ako. Kinakaratikid nila lahat yan. Pagtanda ko, kaya hindi nagka-boyfriend, takot na sa akin. Lahat ng bumansas dyan, dead. Dahil joke lang. Pero mahal na mahal ko sila, they've always been supporting me. Sa lahat ng undertakings ko, pati sa pag-iipon ng pera, they're always there. Saan, magastos ka na. Itilin na yan. Oo. Minsan sila na nga umahawak ng bank account eh. Sabi, nasaan ang pera ko? Wala, nasa bangko. So, napupersa ako magtipid. Pero very thankful ako, they guided me throughout my life. Actually, pare-parehas kami ng school. Ako yung pinakamaloko. Lahat sila matalino. So yung dalawang sisters ko, yung isa cum laude, yung panganay, syempre, laging nasa honors. So pag tinanong ako si Sean, nasa principal's office. Asan na yung mama mo? Sabi niya. Si ate yung lalaki, sasabihin na, ano naman yung mama mo? Balit ka. Pero syempre, mahal na mahal nila ako. They've always been loving me since I was young. Syempre, bunso, only son. So I really appreciate and love both of you for accepting Romela and helping us in this wonderful wedding na talagang very joyous. I really wanna thank you. To my new family, Tita Fidela and Mommy Fidela and Papa Romeo. No words can describe how I feel about loving you guys. Sila lang nagpakain ng okra sa akin. Hindi ako makain ng okra, promise. Pero nung naganda sila, nilaga lang yung fresh okra. Asin lang katapat. Suabe talaga. Langka, kala ko nilalagay lang sa halo-halo. Yung pala, ang laki pala nun. Tapos papapakin mo lang. Suabe, malaki. Sabi ko nga kay Tito, huwag niyo muna hatiin. Papapicture pa ako. Ang laki ito. Lagay ko sa face kaya lang nahatiin ang laki. Pero honestly, ang sarap pala ng langka. Nagiging putas pala yan. Kala ko sa halo-halo lang. Condiments.